Hi guys, I'd like to give you a small tour of our den and family room to show you where the original new living room carpet landed that I spoke of in the last video. I had talked about it, so let's go and give you a little tour. Come on in. We added this door, this pocket door. Come on in. And I'm very happy with it. I think it's beautiful, the color in here, and this is the carpet we originally put in the living room. And it's fuller here because fuller meaning it's only an 8 by 10, but it feels like a 9 by 16 in a room this size. This is a very sizable second bedroom. That's why we decided to make it a den, because it's just Vinny and I alone. I don't know if I could say that enough, but I always do. And this couch opens. Show them the couch, Vin. This is our family room slash guest room slash everything room, but this opens to a very comfortable foam mattress for guests. But when we don't have guests, it's our enjoyable room to watch, like we've been binging on Sopranos every night in here with a cocktail, so that's pretty cool. Now, the reason I also put the carpet in here is, Millie, do you have to be in all the videos? Photo bomber, is that, see, this is our new coffee table. We knew this was coming, and we knew that the color scheme in here lends to more browns and mahoganies. If you could show them the curio quick, and then I want to show them how the coffee table lifts up. But you see that antique piece? That was a gift from Vinny for an anniversary, and I adore it. I love it. So that's a dark wood piece that I'm going to keep forever. I love it. It lights up. I don't have it plugged in now, or do I? Let me see if I have it plugged in. I might. Last time I tried to video, it wasn't. But there you go. It's lovely at night. Let me pull this down. Maybe you can see it a little better. It's lovely. It's a favorite piece. It's nice and narrow in a bedroom here. All our furniture in here, as I go through and show you, is custom. So let me see now. The carpet, I want to show you the new coffee table. This is a biggie. This is a favorite of Vinny's. This is in all our homes. We've had about 4 or 5 of them. We're down to 2. No, 3. 2 here and 1 in New York. But here's the deal. He loves this because he gets served in here. And this is classic eating while watching TV. This is a vintage lifestyle, I should say. Vintage meaning, like, remember when I'm dating myself now. Remember when we had, what are they called, Vinny? TV dinner tables? What? We used to have a set of 4. My grandma had one. And she would pull it up to her bed and eat dinner watching TV. It's a classic for people who like to watch TV while eating. And then look at that. They're very affordable. They go from any range from about $100 to up to thousands. You can get a table bigger and more luxurious for about $1,200. This particular, was this under $200? Yeah, about $156. Very well made, but you do have to put it together. Vinny put it together for us, and I love him because he's like my, what is that? Vinny's my love of my life and my task rabbit. My task rabbit. And it is not time to play. I don't know why she does this. Forgive her. She wants to play while we're videoing. Let me get my wine and I'll tell you a few more things we've done in this room to make it a den. These cabinets were built by Vinny. These are into a space we found out from a neighbor. Luckily, it was a surprise. You see, they go in the depth and the lights. Behind this wall is the guest bathroom. Now, we were just at the point getting ready to renovate this bedroom. We were turning it into a den, and we always have bookshelves. Vinny knows I love them. I have books everywhere. I could live surrounded by them. And we were asking, I don't know what we wanted to know, but we went up to the 25th floor. We're on the 12th floor. We went up and asked the young lady in the same unit to show us her apartment. I forget. Oh. We were doing the living room cut open. The contractor was doing the kitchen. He wanted to point something out in her unit to us because we have the same layout. He wanted to make my living room wall smaller, whatever. So he says, go up. I know them. They're really nice people. So we do. We go upstairs and we meet them. Lovely young lady, a new mom. She had a little baby under a year. And she showed us her whole apartment. And when she got to this room, in her house, it's a nursery. Because she had a little baby, he was about 9 months at the time, little boy, sweet. And she had here in place, indented, but it was the IKEA unit, you'll see one day when I do my bedroom tour, and it was just freestanding, but it was into the wall like this, and she could pull it in out like an alcove. And she said to us, she said, when we were doing the guest bathroom, we found a dead space behind this wall of 18 inches. And we said, what? Oh. And she said, and that's why I put this in, to have extra space, and it flattened, lines up. So what did I do? I ran downstairs after we left. We came down here, and I said to Vinny, break the wall, break the wall. I have to see, I have to see. He broke the wall. We found the space, and that's how this came to life. He put a 6-shelf indented wall unit, which makes the room seem bigger because it's not protruding. If this were out here, up to the lamp, it would seem so much more crowded in here. But we've done little things to make it seem more spacious. These wood planking, this is a very simple item, very affordable. I'm not going to say names. I'll put links in the video in case you want to know, because someone said something on my page, a comment about, was so upset that like I was advertising. I don't advertise. I show you what I used in my home, and that's that. So we did it all, both sides. Okay. Vinny installed it, did all the crown molding. Then I want a fireplace. I happen to love them. I know we're in Florida, but you know what? For me, it's ambiance. I have them in every room of our house, and I have them in every house we live in. It's delightful. It's so nice to sit here at night with candlelight and fireplace. And it gets cold here, but we put it on when it's warm outside because we have AC running all the time, and I just love looking at it. And this one happens to be... it has a mirror behind there. It's indented in such a way that it gives it depth. It looks like it's deep, and it's expensive to buy the box, but you buy the firebox electric, and then my hubby built this custom for me to my style, and I copied, I'll show you next to desk, and we try to copy the wall. These are a little bit wider because when we went back to get more of the narrow ones, they were out of stock, and I'm impatient. I wanted it yesterday. So we got the little bit bigger, and I told him, no big deal. It's a little bit wider because it's some contrast. No problem. Okay, so that's that. There's our large screen TV that Vinny always wishes were bigger, and I refuse to go bigger than that. I think it'll crowd the room. And here is the creme de la creme for Vincent. He loves his space, even though we have it as a den. We had to have an office for him, and this is ideal. And this, believe it or not, without having to break any walls, this indentation of 16 inches was here. A lot of people that have the 04 unit like us, they put doors across and they make it a closet, and which is nice, but we don't need all that because I said the more closets I have, the more junk I'm going to buy and store and never use. I didn't want a desk in my bedroom. This is where he's doing all the editing. At the time we made this, there was no YouTube. I wasn't doing content. He wasn't editing. He was doing our bills, and he's a realtor. If anybody in the Pompano Beach area wants to know, Vinny's a realtor here in Florida, and he needed a space for his clients, his paperwork. So that's how it began. Now it's dual purpose. He does some real estate, but he does a lot of editing for me, which I love him and appreciate him for. But as you can see, the fireplace mimics this that I decided to put. This is painted. I'm getting a little tired of the gray, but now that I put the carpet, it's given the cabinets a revival. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you a mini video when I decide and find them. I think I want to go with an antique brass, more decorative, maybe something nautical. I don't know. Maybe something beachy. We'll see, to lighten it up a bit now that we have the new carpet. But this is our den family room. And one more thing I want to show you that does make a big difference besides the furnishings and the office being in an alcove, the bookcase. This is something else that helps out. You see these tables? They're only, what, 12 inches wide, Vinny, the depth?
Yeah.
Vinny made these by hand. They were made of pine, and then I went ahead and painted them and embellished them with the little metal gromlets, whatever you call these accessories, the embellishments, to try to match the handles on the cabinet doors of the office desk. Because I love doing crazy stuff like that. I love crafting, and I went out and I got these, and I did that part by hand after he made them. But if they were out to here, think about that. You'd have these big, humongous tables. Everything would be feeling so much more crowded to me, I believe. And I love that we have a smaller coffee table. We have custom tables that back. Look at all this space we gain. This is, I call this airspace, living airspace. This stuff here. living airspace, and I just love it. When he's not home, this is my she shed. When he's home, we share it. I have to let him in. What are you going to do? All right, so that's, and this, I put the shade down. This is the view from here. Originally, this was a bedroom, so if we had put the bed on the wall where you see the fireplace I showed you, this would be your view from the bed. But for us, we don't need it. We have enough to see. We got enough views. We're happy. And come on, Tallulah Bell. We got to get cooking for our next video. Oh, and lastly, we'll show you this, and then I'll say goodbye. We added this because you didn't have any entrance in or out. This was a second bedroom, so it was closed off. And I didn't like it. See? And now during the day, we have complete access. And a lot of people say, well, why do you have a French door if that's your guest room people? We have a trick we do at night when my son and his wife come and other relatives sleep over. Trust me, it's quite private. We have a trick we do, and it doesn't affect anything. And other things I could add, travel if I do it, and other projects. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I put at least 1 to 2 videos a week and a short here and there. I would love you to subscribe and help my channel grow so I know that you like this content and I can keep making it. See you in the next video.